Welcome guys, so today I am with this Philips Fidelio M2 ear headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So at first we have to turn them on until these indicators start blinking on the white and the blue. So click and hold this part, keep holding. As you can see, there it is. Right now we can release. And all we have to do, open the Bluetooth settings on our MacBook, go for the Bluetooth preferences, find Philips Fidelio on the list, click connect, and that's it. As you can see, right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.